Xoxo Alaceia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, me, my sister and my mom, we had a girls' day. So we went out shopping, facial stuff, dresses and stuff like that. So I thought, since we bought a lot of facial hygiene and stuff like that, I thought, why don't I do like spa little majigger day on my channel? And so I already washed my face, so it's becoming very dry. Putting a moisturizer, so I was planning on a mask, Korean moisturizer that I got from Ulta. I'm filming, close my door. And pomegranate mask. So I thought, why not use them? A little random fun time. I wait for these to dry. Some of these take 20 minutes to 15 minutes. I'm gonna try to use green tea skin purifying mask. Yeah, Holy moly. A green tea mask brightens skin tone and refreshes with the freshness of earth. Can you hand me that spray bottle? Yeah, I was needing here for a reason. It's so cute, little baby hair and little baby. Put on my mask while I do some random stuff. Ooh, I don't want to rip it. Yeah, you haven't worn one in a while. Knee booming. Looks so crazy. It pulls up a little bit. Really? It needs to retune. I need a charger! BTS stickers on it. So cute. Let's do some homework real quick. Spring break and I gotta get this done. Imagine my eternal place of my suffering. Let's log in. You compare prices of limousines for the spring dance. Company A charges $250 fee plus $130 for each person for each hour you use the limo. For a similar limo, Company B charges $125 free plus $155 for. Did I spell it wrong? Okay, I got it right. I don't understand. I got that right. You can do this, Alaceia. Oh, enough homework for now. I can't. You're stressing me out. I really want to try glowing moisture. I'm using this green tea mask right now. These work the best on my skin. Like, they make my skin glow. Korean masks are my favorite. In a few minutes, I guess this might be ready to take off. Moisturizer is so cute outside of the box. Let me show you. It's like a pink color. So cute. This might be ready to take off. Ooh, this is glowing. I normally put it on my neck so my neck can get like some moisture too. Your neck has the same like skin as your face. Skin looks awesome. I'm okay buying these. These look nice. If you haven't yet and if you're new, please subscribe. My New Year's goal for this year is to get at least 1,000 subscribers. So I really appreciate it if you guys subscribe. You may not know me. I am a little potato that's from Texas. Yeehaw. That reminds me of Alyssa Ashley, the face of satisfaction. Ooh, so guys, thank you for watching my little spa with me. Want to see more? Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new here, subscribe, please, because I check my stats and analysis, and 26% of you guys are not subscribed, and the other 56% are subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. You're clicking into these videos, you might as well subscribe, right? Support your girl. Like a video, comment down below, suggest it to all your little friends. Suggest my videos to your friends, guys. That's how I get subscribers. That's how we get subscribers. That's how this family can grow. Thumbnail.